My dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. I am Sushanta Kumar Rai, Senior Teacher, SM Model Craft High School, Gopalganj. Now, we are going to discuss voice. We are going to discuss voice, or our topic voice. Voice, that's mean বাংলায় বাচ, বাংলা ব্যাকরণে এখানে বাচ্য আছে, অ্যাক্টিভ প্যাসিভ আছে। অ্যাক্টিভ থেকে প্যাসিভ করতে হয়, যেমন বাংলা এরকম আছে কর্তৃবাচ্য থেকে কর্মবাচ্য, অর্থাৎ বাংলায় বাচ্য অবশ্য তিন প্রকার, কর্তৃবাচ্য, কর্মবাচ্য, আরেকটা হচ্ছে ভাববাচ্য। তো ইংরেজির সাথে বাংলার খুব মিল আছে, তো আমি সাথে সাথে বাংলার সাথে ইংরেজিরও আলোচনা করার চেষ্টা করব। তোমরা দেখবে, কোনো সমস্যা থাকলে আমাকে বলবে। আচ্ছা, বাচ্য, voice. What is called voice? What do you mean voice? Voice is the form of the verb which indicates whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. বাচ্য সেই জিনিস যেটা ভার্বকে ইন্ডিকেট করবে, সাবজেক্ট করবে, এইরকম যদি অবস্থা হয় সেটাকে আমরা বলবো বাচ্য। Voice, two kinds of voice, active and passive. Two kinds of voice, active and passive. What do you mean active? When the subject of a sentence is the doer or actor, the verb is in active. It is so because the subject is active. In a simple way, when the subject of a sentence is active, that is active. Such as, I do the work, he did the work, he got a prize. Here, there are three sentences. Here, I do, here subject I, then he did the work, here did, he subject, he got a prize, he subject. He Helal, Helal, such as Helal, Helal got a prize. Here Helal subject, and here subject is active, so this is active voice. Next, passive. Passive, what do you mean passive? What do you mean passive? Passive, when the subject of a sentence is acted upon, the verb is in passive. It is so because the subject is passive. Basically, when the object is active, that is passive. Now look, the work is done by me. In this sentence, the work here active, that is the object, and active here, object here active, so it is passive voice. Same, the work was done by him, a prize was got or gotten by him, this passive voice. Now, active to passive. How to active to passive? Active to passive in assertive sentence. How to change active to passive in assertive sentence? If you want to change active to passive, you have to some rules. Now look, some rules. The object of the verb in the active voice become the subject of the verb in the passive voice. Very easy. The object at first, object, subject. You have to object, subject. That is first rule. Next, then you have to find out verb present or past. If verb present form, you will write am, is, are according to person. For verb in present form, past form, you have to write we, was, or were. According to person, you have to write was or were. Then verb always, main verb always changed in past participle. Always verb past participle. Serial number or rule number 3, the main verb is changed into past form always. So verb always past participle. Okay. Next, serial number 4, writing rest of the sentence, writing rest of the sentence added by and the subject of the verb in the active voice become the object of the verb in the passive. So now look, rule number 4, writing rest of the sentence, then you have to add it by and first subject will be object. Okay. Now look, he plays football in the field. He plays football in the field. In the sentence, here his subject, plays verb, football object, and rest of the sentence. If you want to exchange passive voice, at first you have to write object. At first you have to write object. Here, object football. Now here passive in sentence football. Then you have to write. Then you have to find verb present or past. If verb present form, you have to write according to person am, is, are. When you have to write am, is, are. If the subject singular number, you have to write is, but the subject plural number, you have to write are. But always after I, you have to write. Okay. Then you have to write always verb past participle. Serial number 3, verb always past participle. Then you have to write rest of the sentence. Rest of the sentence in the field. Then added by and first subject will be object. Here first subject he, subject he, object him. Okay. Now look. You can see a chart, subject and object. Now look. My dear students, now look, this is a chart. Person. Now look. Okay. Person, person, and nominative Objective and possessive. Now look, person. We know three kinds of person: first person, second person, and third person. First person. First person. I, me, me, my, oblique, we, us, our, oblique, ours. Second person. Second person. You, your. Sorry. Your, oblique, yours. Third person. Third person. He, him, his. She, her, oblique, hers. Then they, them, there. Here is IR, oblique, here is IR, there. Now look, first person, third person. This is nominative. Nominative. Okay, my dear student, now look, this is subject or nominative. This is subject or nominative, and objective, that is object. Okay. Now today we need nominative and objective, but possessive no need today. Okay. So now look, football is played. Here, 4 rules have been followed or applied. Now look, at first subject object, then you have to write find verb present or past. If present, verb amizar. If verb past, will be was. Then main verb always past participle. Rest of the sentence added by, and finally subject. Okay. Now he plays football in the field. Here, at first object, object subject, football, object subject. Then here verb plays. So here is rule number 3. Verb always past participle. Plays, verb always past participle played, and rest of the sentence in the field, rest of the sentence added by. Then after subject will be object. Here he, subject, object, him. Okay, my dear student. Now this is a chart how to exchange nominative, objective, or subject, object. Okay, now look, first person, I, me, we, us. You, he, him, she, her, they, them. Besides this, any other subject or person, no sense. Okay, now look. Meena is cooking food. If you find am is are, that is present continuous tense, am is are verb ing, that is present continuous tense, same you have to exchange, but only you have to edit am being, is being, are according to person. Now look, Meena is cooking food. Here Meena subject, then cooking verb, and finally food object. Now look, food object. At first you have to write food object, okay, food object. Then if you find am is are verb ing, that is present continuous tense, you have to write am being, is being, are. So here football is singular, so is being. Then verb always past participle, same way verb past participle, rest of the sentence added by and subject object. Meena have no sense, that is only you have to change subject object, I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, they, them. Besides any third person, no sense. Okay. Next, Jamal has bought a car. Here, if you find have has verb past participle, that is present perfect tense. We have to exchange only have been, has been, have been, has been. But rest of the part you have to change same way. Now look here, a car object. So a car have or has. If have or has, you have to write have been or has been. So a car singular has been bought verb past participle, rest of the sentence, but no rest of the sentence in this sentence. So added by and subject Jamal. Okay. Thus you have to write active to passive. Now look, he will buy a car. He will buy a. Now how to exchange passive? If now look, a car will be. Shall or will. If you find shall or will, you have to exchange shall be or will be. And rest of the sentence or part, same way you have to change. But we will bought by him. Okay. Okay. He can return. He can return. No, sorry. He can finish. F-I-N-I-S-H. Finish the work in time. Hello. Here, his subject, finish verb, the work object. So at first you have to write the work can be finished in time by. Okay, my dear students, have you understood? If you can, you have to exchange can, but another part of the sentence, same way you have to exchange. Next, we want to ought to obey. Obey our, obey our parents. Obey our parents. Now look, you're not you're our parents ought to be obeyed by us. Okay. Thus, you have to exchange active to passive. Have you understood, my dear students? Okay, my dear students. Now look. Active to passive. Active to passive. But three kinds of voice: active, passive and quasi-passive voice. বাংলায় বলে কর্ম কর্তৃ বাচক। Quasi-passive voice. What is called quasi-passive voice? A quasi-passive voice is active in form but passive in sense. It may be sensed in passive form in the following line. Now look. Honey tastes sweet. Honey tastes sweet. Honey is sweet when it is tasted. Rice sells cheap. Rice is cheap when it is sold. That is quasi-passive verb. Now, what is quasi-passive verb? Quasi-passive verb. Now look, honey tastes sweet. Here, honey tastes sweet. এখানে আমরা বলি মধু মিষ্টি। এখন এই মধু মিষ্টি, how to understand honey tastes sweet? Honey is sweet. How to understand? Honey is sweet, how to understand? When you have to taste, it is sweet or sour. So then experiment will be honey is sweet. Okay, honey is sweet. So how to exchange quasi-passive verb? Honey is sweet when it is tasted. Rice sells cheap. Rice is cheap when it is sown. Now, most important, active to passive. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now I am going to discuss again or highlights active to passive. Active to passive, you have to basically four rules. Four rules. At first, you have to exchange object subject. Then you have to find out verb present or past. If verb present form, you have to write am is are, but verb past form, you have to write was are. Then you have to write verb past participle always. Rest of the sentence you have to write and added by, and finally you have to write subject object. Okay, thus you have to write exchange active to passive in assertive sentence. But if you find in assertive sentence am is are you have to write am being, is being, are being. But another rules same way. But if you find in a sentence have, has, or past participle, that is present perfect tense, you have to write have been, has been. If you find was were, you have to write was being, were being. If you find had, you have to write had been. If you find can, you have to write can be. If you find shall or will, you have to write shall be or will be. If you find may, you have to write may be. Thus, you have to access active to passive. Okay, my dear students, have you any question here? Okay. If any question, arise any question, sure, you will knock me, you will comment me, then I'll discuss clearly. Okay, my dear students, have you any question now? Okay, God bless you. Best of luck, my dear students, best of luck.